Welcome back!
Thank you! I am so glad I did this! Thank you! You're awesome! You're awesome! Oh wow,
So what'd you think? What's your favorite part?
Oh, just jumping off from there! And like, it was scary, but it was awesome.
It's incredible, huh?
Oh, it's incredible. I can just thank Kevin and God for my existence. Continued existence.
Awesome.
I'm so glad. I'm so glad.
Great job.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you for coming out.